Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to let you know the difference between internal link, external link and a backlink. And these are very much easy to remember. First, I want to talk about what is an internal link. Now, when it comes to the internal link, here it clearly says internal, right? Which means inside the website. Now, on our Click and Capture Studio website homepage, if I scroll down a little bit, here I can see one of the button for bookings. And when I click on the home page for bookings button, it will take me to the book now page. So the home page and the book now page is somewhat interconnected by this particular button. And I want to quickly navigate to the bottom of the website, and here we can see the product photography, right? And here we do have the button called view gallery, and when I click on view gallery button, which is on the home page, it takes us directly to the product photography page. I hope you clearly understand what do I mean by the internal links. Internal links are nothing but the connection that we have in between the pages or the blogs that we have in the website. Now in the Click and Capture Studio, I quickly would like to show you one of the example. Now in the blog, let me open the blog, and we have written one of the blog about South Indian bridal reception look, right? And I want to click on the blog. It opens the blog, and I want to quickly navigate a little bit down, and here we can see the option explore wedding photography. On the blog we have mentioned this button, and when we click on explore wedding photography, it will take us to the wedding photography inside the Click and Capture Studio. And this is what the internal links all about. I hope you clearly understand. Now second thing, I want to talk about the external link. What does it mean? Now when I say external link, imagine that in the Click and Capture Studio, if we write a blog, maybe it can be South Indian bridal reception look. While we are explaining about the South Indian bridal reception look, we can even mention some of the other websites except Click and Capture Studio, the external website. If we talk something about that website, and if we give some link, or maybe if we keep the button by keeping the URL under the button, and when someone clicks on that button, it will take them to an external website, and that is called external link. And why do we keep the external link? The purpose of keeping the external link is we have to build the trust by our users who is reading the blog. We have to give them multiple sources, not just only the internal links to our website. Even it is good for us to give the external links so that it creates some trust in the users, and that is the main purpose. And also it is very much good for the SEO as well. The connection between our website and multiple outside websites, multiple external websites. I hope you clearly understand what do I mean by the external website. Now quickly I want to open the notepad. And then finally, I want to talk about what is a backlink. Backlink is very much simple. When I say external link, it is keeping the link from our website to an outside website, right? And similarly, when it comes to the backlink, when someone from the outside website, if they write a blog and if they keep the button, or maybe if they keep the link which redirects to our website, it is called a backlink. Now the backlink is very much important out of all the links. It is because all the other websites that are available on the web, at some particular point in their blogs, if they mention the link that redirects to the Click and Capture Studio, which means to our website, Google will think that our website is very much important for some reason, and that is the reason a lot of websites are keeping the links of our website in their blog pages. They are referring our website for some reason. So it is always good to have multiple backlinks from multiple other web pages to have a very good SEO. In this video, I want to discuss only about what is the meaning of the backlink, and in the upcoming sessions, maybe in the next session or maybe in the next 2 or 3 sessions, I will clearly explain you the reason behind the backlinks and why it is so much important for SEO. In this video, I hope you clearly understand the difference between internal link, external link and a backlink. And if you really find my videos helpful, and also if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist Digital Marketing. You can find all the images that are related to digital marketing from the very basics. I did more than hundreds of videos related to digital marketing, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.